Today I'm going to show you how to install a Tesla Co-Pilot screen step by step. Accessories include a screwdriver and screws, align mounting brackets and screw holes. Now just tighten up the screws. Here is a bracket, again after aligning it, screws in the screws. Next, mount the bracket onto the car screen, then simply snap the screen into place. Plug in the cable, then connect the other end to the car's cigarette lighter. Now power on your Tesla, the Co-Pilot screen should light up.